Hello, my name is ROConnor and I'm an attorney here at Bacon Wilson, and I work primarily in the areas of healthcare law and employment law. For those physicians considering joining a medical practice or a healthcare system such as a hospital or medical center, there are a number of very key items that you should be aware of and prepare for in order for the transition to go as smoothly as possible. One of these is the aspect of due diligence. It's important to know as much financial and legal background regarding the entity before you join as a partner or as a member. In a partnership, you assume responsibilities of the partnership as soon as you sign, and so it is very important to know the financial and legal state of the entity that you're joining prior to signing any employment agreement. The employment agreement itself is critical because in it will specify the term, the length of time that you're an employee before you become eligible to be a partner, and it will also specify what responsibilities and warranties you're making to the practice that you're joining. They'll want to know that you have a current license, they'll want to know your malpractice history, and they'll want to know whether or not you intend to do any work outside the medical practice. You may indeed wish to pursue some free medical care at an institution that you've been associated with for a long period of time. The employment agreement itself will also list a number of conditions which, if in fact they happen, your employment, your relationship with the medical group may be terminated immediately. An example of some of these terms would be loss of license, censure by the Medicare or Medicaid health insurance system, or there's a catch-all phrase that you do anything that harms the reputation of the medical practice that is employing you. So not only is it important to conduct a due diligence study of the practice you're joining, but to make sure that your employment agreement provides you with as much protection as possible as you work towards becoming a partner in this medical group. In addition, your employment agreement will address your salary and whether or not it increases over a period of time, as well as the benefits that will be extended to you while an employee of the medical practice or healthcare system. My name is ROConnor, and I'm an attorney here at Bacon Wilson, practicing in healthcare law and employment law. And should you be considering joining a medical practice or healthcare system, I strongly encourage you to enlist the aid of an attorney, and I certainly would be willing to help you as you evaluate the opportunity and ensure that you achieve the best possible employment agreement with the entity.